Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you some happy mail. I received happy mail, yay! This is from Elizabeth, who is Beady Beady Bum Bum here on YouTube, and I'll definitely link her channel in the description box below. She is an amazing crafter, and we've actually been on some of the same design teams before, and she's super sweet and just amazing, so yay! This is the beautiful card that she sent me, so I'm going to take a second and read it. It says, "Dear Erica, thank you for sharing your amazing crafty shares. I want to make a little something for you. The little gift bag is from Miss Edie Blue. Big hugs, Elizabeth." Aw, thank you. Okay, so I went ahead, I had to shoot this again because I got interrupted, but I hadn't looked at anything, but this was the first package I had started taking out. And I believe this is the one that's from Miss Edie Blue. And if you guys aren't familiar with her channel, I'll link her channel down below as well. She posts a lot of different hauls, and I believe she has an Etsy shop, and she does a lot of things with charms, so definitely show her some love. But I believe this is from her. And look at that super cute little tag that has my name on it, and it says, "Hello, darling." Super cute, and I love this little gift bag. It's adorable. All right, so I'm gonna open up the goodies, or see what's in here. Okay, so this is the first little goodie. Oh my gosh, how super cute. I'm just gonna zoom in just a little bit. She sent me some charms. She does a lot of hauls, and oh my gosh, she shared with me. So sweet. There's mermaids and a music note and seashells and a donut. This is super cute. So thank you so much for sharing. I can definitely use these and add them to traveler's notebooks or little projects. So absolutely love, and I love your packaging. I love that. I love doodlebug paper, and that's just absolutely adorable. So thank you so much. And then she has this in there as well, and this is some sequins, and they're really pretty. They're tiny little hearts and iridescent ones, and then there's pink and purple ones, and I love this little mix right here. So pretty. Super, super sweet. I can't wait to play. She sent me a doodle pop, which is super cute, little unicorn. And then this little package right here, I love this little topper, and these look like little mermaid paper clips, which are absolutely adorable, and I love the little sequins that you have in here. So pretty. And then what else is in here? Oh, some more paper clips, and these are unicorn themed, and oh my gosh, if you guys watch her channel, you'll see that she likes a lot of I think sea themed and unicorns and that kind of thing, so definitely check her out. But I love the little sequins, and these are really cute unicorn clips, and I do not have anything like this or even the mermaid clips, so those are really pretty. And last but not least, she sent this little package right here, and again, a super cute little topper with a unicorn, and she sent me some purple charms, and they're all a little bit different. There's some music notes, a cupcake, a really pretty purple bow. Oh my gosh, this is so sweet. I love it. Absolutely adorable. Look at that. So cute. Thank you so much for sharing with me. Thank you, thank you. All right, I'm gonna move that off to the side and open this up. And I believe this one is from Elizabeth, because it kind of goes with her card. But look at her super cute packaging. It says Merry Christmas, and I love your little rosette right there. Adorable. What did you send me? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Is this, oh my gosh, is this an embellishment book? Oh my goodness, look how pretty that is. It says Sweet Winter. She's got a cute little peppermint, that's that Sizzix die, and some really cute little embellishments. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, let me open it up. Oh, it's like a binder. Oh my gosh, I've seen these, and I think I've seen them on Instagram, but I haven't made one, but I've been seeing ladies make them, and I think they're just like some kind of like binder flip book, if you will. And oh my gosh, this is so sweet. I can't believe you gifted me this. There's a clear pocket right here, down here, and it has some handmade embellishments. Those are gorgeous, and I can definitely use those. How pretty. And then look at that cute little, she embellished the clear pocket. How super pretty is that? And then in here, there is an envelope, and it says It's a Wonderful Life. And it looks like a policy envelope. Oh, and there's Velcro right there. Oh, and she included several treat bags for me to use. Oh, thank you, Elizabeth. That is so super sweet. Oh, I love this idea, and I definitely would like to try this. This is heartiest greetings and best wishes for your happiness at Christmas and throughout the coming year. Oh, that's really pretty. So she has a tag right here, and it's clipped to the little binder. Super cute. And then this is the little tag inside, and it says ho ho ho. Absolutely adorable. And I believe this is KSP by Louisa. She has digital paper line, and I can leave her information down below as well, but that's what I think Elizabeth used to create this, and this is so adorable. She added a little resin bow, and it says Merry Christmas. Super cute, and these pages are super thick. This says peace, love, and joy. Really, really pretty, some really fun trim. Oh, look at this page. It's like a see-through page, and it has it looks like snow, and it says be merry. Look how cute that is. I love it, Elizabeth, and that's that EK Success punch right there with the little trees. Man, I need to break out my punches. I haven't even touched them in a while. That is so pretty. I love it. And then here is another cute little page, and I love the glitter that you added, probably gold washi tape, but she has it decorated with another one of these cute little bear images, and it says Hello December. Super, super cute. And then now on the back it says keep calm and have a cupcake. Yes, oh, super cute. Look, and she added a little bow to the cupcake. I love this, Elizabeth. This is so sweet. And then this is a pocket that she's created. And she's got a really pretty crepe paper rosette. And she's got some goodies in here. What did you send? Oh my gosh. This is the Stamps of Life, and it's a little elf set. Oh, that is so super sweet. Oh my goodness, how cute. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. I actually used to be a member of the Stamps of Life Club. I joined her kit club for a few months. I think I did a 3 or 6 month subscription with her. So I do like Stephanie Bernard. So thank you so much. That is so sweet. And then here is another page, and we have, looks like some handmade embellishments. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Is this that Sizzix die that everybody, is finding at Tuesday morning? This is so pretty. I never found that die, but these are gorgeous. So thank you for sharing. I love them. They're ready to go, and I can just pop them on a card if I want. Thank you so much. And I love how you created a little pocket, and then she added lace down here. There's so many little details. It's so gorgeous. Wow. And then look at the back. It says cheer. Oh my gosh. I know everybody hauled that die from LDRS, I think it is. And I didn't pick it up. I know they had a really great sale, and for whatever reason, I didn't take advantage. I don't know. I'll have to check and see if it's still available, but I love it. And then this is the very back of the binder, and look at this. She's got it filled with some more goodies, and there's another clear pocket. I think maybe that pocket came like this with this binder. I wonder. Look at those handmade embellishments. Those are absolutely adorable. Look at those lollipops. I love those. Oh my gosh. Are these from Michael's? I wonder. Super cute. I don't think I've ever saw those. And then she's gifted me some doilies. Aw, thank you so much. This is so super sweet and so thoughtful. And I just love this idea. See, handmade by Beady Bomb Bomb Elizabeth. And again, I will leave her channel link in the description box below. You guys show her some love. Check out her channel. Elizabeth, this was so super sweet. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And Miss Edie Blue, I truly appreciate you sending me something as well. That was so sweet of you girls to get together and send it together. I hope everyone is having a great day. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.